Okay, let's add a map service from USGS. First, I'm going to add some default data so we can zoom into our area of interest. I've got a saved symbology layer here for the Golden Gate boundaries, and I'm going to zoom into my area of interest, Malaga Ridge. Okay, so now let's add a service. So you would go to the add data thing and we choose GIS servers. This choice down here under adding data. I've added a few, but I'll redo it to show you how to do it. We've been adding the ArcGIS server before, and that's what's causing the error. I noticed that same thing too. So let's try using the WMS server because the USGS site does offer us an opportunity to link using that protocol. So we'll add WMS server, go to add, and for this address, the URL, we need to get the one from this link. Not the URL that we've been using, but the one from WMS. In Chrome, I can right-click this and say copy link address. It doesn't quite fit on the screen there. But I'll copy the link address, go back to ArcGIS, and paste this in. Now there's one caveat to this. At the end, you see there's /WMS server and then a little question mark in this request statement. Let's knock that part off. Just highlight it and erase it. And then when that's done, we just have WMS server at the end. We say get layers, and we see all of the data layers that are associated with this service. We want to get something really fine-grained detail. You notice that these are broken up into levels. This is a very small scale, and this is a very large scale, meaning way zoomed in. So let's try this one. Let's see if we can get the elevation lines. So you just make your choice there, and you say OK, and it shows up here. It's added this number 2 because I had done this before to test it, but basically you get this choice that you can come back to on your GIS servers list. We'll choose that one, do add, and then add the USGS Topo dataset. And then here's the transformation window. So we want to click the transformations button, make sure that this is on WGS84. We're converting from WGS84 to NAT83, just like your data. And we're going to use choice number 5. This is the one that's most appropriate for the continental US. Say OK and close, and boom, there it is. There's a USGS Topo Quad. This isn't in my C drive. This is from the USGS server. And so you can do the same sorts of things, adding many different kinds of datasets listed here on this page. This is viewer.nationalmap.gov/example/services.html. And then the ones I suggested were that topo one, and then this is the imagery base here that they use for the topos. So you can grab that link and put that in as a WMS service into ArcGIS 9.2.